Okay, who don't want to earn $1 million? It might sound crazy, but in fact, it is much easier to make this amount of money. Not gonna lie, for someone it will take 60 days, for someone it may take a year. But the same stays the same. You have to work hard. Of course you can stay up till midnight and getting your dopamine, but then don't await big results. Our plan consists of 4 main points. And at the end is the proof that everybody can make it by this method. The first thing I want you to do is to create new Google account and create a TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube channels. This will be our main income, which will become passive in a while. And now I want you to make videos on TikTok and Instagram every day. You can make videos on YouTube once a week. Make a research and choose a viral niche for each platform. For Instagram, I would pick memes. For TikTok, relatable content. And for YouTube, I would pick games or finance sphere. Study the algorithms and study how to edit videos so viewers want to watch it. Nobody guarantee you that your first video will become viral. But look at some creators, they literally go viral from the first video. Many creators lose one thing during this process, and it is motivation. And this is one thing I want you not to lose. Create videos and you'll see a progress by this way. By the end of the month, you will definitely see a growth of subscribers and views. But let's go back and change a strategy a little bit. Overall, becoming noticeable on social media platforms is a bit hard, and it takes a lot of time, so we need some money for instant boost. The thing I want you to do is to find 2 or 3 great side hustles, making video about it, and earn at least $300 on it. I would go for little tasks such as a review or to write a comment to other people's posts. It will take approximately 2 weeks to earn this money. Then I would go for Google Ads promotion and a promotion inside the platform. Choose the cheapest one and promote it for 4 out of 5 days, then make it on the next video. Okay, as soon as we get a big amount of subscribers, we are going to monetize our channels, and not only that. We are going to email brands and offer them collaboration. Write 100 emails and at least 1 will corporate. Then we will have +1 income stream. You'll get paid from collaboration. Fine, but then you want to earn more money to cross this 1 million line. What is it? Drop shipping? Getting a permanent job? No. The right answer is reselling. Don't be confused. How we can manage to put reselling into our strategy? At first, we are going to resell things we don't need at home. Some clothes, toys from the childhood, and so on. I would recommend Facebook or Vinted for clothes reselling. Then go on Temu and buy some useful things you like that are cheap. And then resell them as they would cost in markets. Just imagine you will make $10 from each product, and you have to sell just 100 of these products, and you will earn $1,000. Plus, don't forget about social media. You will earn about $2,000 there too. If we will count all collaborations and offers you will get throughout this process, it will bring us $10,000 in 2 months of hard work. And it is just the first of 100 steps to 1 million. And in fact, your income will grow after that. So remember, hard work pays off. See you.